Hi friends, Marley here and welcome back to Gardening in Kentucky YouTube channel. In this video, we'll have an update on our greenhouse tomatoes. If you have seen my previous videos of our greenhouse tomatoes, I mentioned that we are growing two different varieties in this greenhouse. The one in the middle is Sun Gold cherry tomatoes, and then the two rows on the sides, these are red juice tomatoes. I came here to tie my red juice tomatoes, and this is what I use. This is a tomato twine. It's a big roll of twine for the tomatoes, and they're really strong. It holds the weight of tomatoes. And this one of the branch of this plant fell over because look at that, the fruits are so heavy, so they're like falling over. And one of the branches broke, and I noticed that we have some branches that are already that have already fallen over because of the weight of the tomatoes. Look at this, guys. Lots and lots of tomatoes here. Now this is just from one plant. We have harvested twice from our greenhouse red juice tomatoes. They're doing really great in here. They are loving the heat. They are loving the growing environment inside the greenhouse. Look at that. Ooh, there's more right there. See that? Mostly green. We have harvested some orange. You know, I didn't really get them to like get to red. Let's go to the other side. Let's see if I can squeeze in here. Oops. Okay. Now this one. So there's one ripe tomato there. The rest of them are still green. This one is also loaded. Like most of them are loaded with green tomatoes, and that's really amazing. Today is June the 3rd. So in my area, it's actually very amazing to have tomatoes this early. Ooh, lots of tomatoes. And then the ones in the center, I'm going to show you what they look like now. We have clusters of cherry tomatoes. So these are single stem cherry tomatoes. This is how I tie them. I just tie them up there. And then like whenever the top, okay, so like this one, we have this bottom cluster. So with the Sun Gold cherry tomatoes, I noticed that, so you have a cluster of fruit, and then there are 2 to 3 leaves, and then you see another cluster, and then 1, 2, 3 leaves, and then another cluster. So that's basically how they grow. And then with this, I'm going to see if I can use just one hand to do the trellising here without damaging the flowers. Okay, because that's our next fruit cluster. Then I'm going to just put the twine around it, so like that. And so this twine holds the tomato vine perfectly. This one right here also, we have this tip that's leaning over, and then we're just going to like put the string around the tip of the tomato, so right there, so they will not fall over. So basically I do that on all of them. So this one, right there. Yeah, we have two, for most of them we have 2 clusters already. So 1, 2, and then flowers on top. So yeah, that's actually close to having our greenhouse tomatoes, or cherry tomatoes. Now outdoor, we have some cherry tomatoes. They're different variety and early variety that are also already producing. Okay, so I'm going to just tie this real quick. So our red juice tomatoes will not fall over on in the ground. Alright guys, that's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Have a great day and happy gardening.